Hi everyone. If you want to learn English but you have no teacher, no money, and no school, don't worry. You can still learn. Yes, you can do it. You can learn English at home, by yourself, and for free. In this video I will show you how. I will give you simple steps. You can follow them every day. I will also give you daily routine ideas. I will share free tools, free methods, and free ways to practice. English is not just a subject. It is a skill. Like cooking or swimming. You can learn it by using it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Let's start your journey. Step 1. Believe you can learn. The first step is not grammar. It's not vocabulary. The first step is belief. Believe in yourself. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be smart. You only need to try every day. English is for everyone. You are not too old. You are not too slow. You are just at the beginning. That's all. Learning English is like growing a plant. If you give it water every day, it grows. So believe. You can do this. Now, let's talk about how to begin. Step 2. Make a simple plan. The next step is to make a plan. A simple one. Ask yourself, how much time do I have each day? 30 minutes? 1 hour? That is enough. Now, break your time into parts. 10 minutes for listening. 10 minutes for speaking. 10 minutes for reading and writing. That's your daily routine. Do it 5 days a week. Or even every day if you can. Small steps every day will take you far. Write your plan. Put it on your wall or your phone. This is important because it keeps you focused. Now let's go deeper into each part. Step 3. Listening every day. Listening is the key. Babies listen before they speak. You can do the same. Listen to English every day. Use free tools. A YouTube, English lessons, stories, vlogs, podcasts, slow English podcasts, audiobooks, free on YouTube or apps. Start with easy English. Search for English listening practice for beginners. Play it every morning. When you clean your room. When you cook. When you walk. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen. Let your brain hear the sound of English. This will help your ears and brain learn together. Now let's talk about speaking. Step 4. Practice speaking alone. You don't need a partner to speak English. You can speak alone. Yes, really. And it works. Try mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Say simple things like, "Good morning. I feel happy today. I will study English now. I like to eat rice and chicken." At first it feels strange, but it helps your confidence. You will get used to your voice. Next, try shadowing. Shadowing means listening to someone speak and copying them. Like an echo. Play a short sentence. Pause. Repeat. Example. Video. I am going to the market. You. I am going to the market. Copy their voice, speed, and feeling. This improves pronunciation and fluency. You can do this every day. Even 5 minutes is good. Now let's move to reading. Step 5. Read easy English. Reading helps you learn new words. It also helps you see grammar in action. Start with easy English stories. Search for English Story for Beginners on YouTube or Google. Read out loud if you can. If you don't know a word, write it down. Look it up later. Read what you love. Short stories. Blogs. Simple news. Even English subtitles on YouTube. Reading makes your brain stronger. And your vocabulary grows. The next step is writing. Step 6. Write every day. You don't need a notebook. You don't need a computer. You just need a place to write. Start with a journal. Each day, write 3 to 5 simple sentences. Examples. Today is sunny. I ate bread. I watched a movie. I feel tired. I want to learn English more. My dream is to travel. Don't worry about grammar. Just write. You will get better over time. You can also post in English on social media. A short sentence. A photo with a caption. This builds your confidence. You are using real English. Now let's talk about something powerful. Thinking in English. Step 7. Think in English. This is a big secret. It's free and very powerful. Start thinking in English. When you wake up, think, what will I do today? I will eat breakfast. Then I will study English. When you see something, think the word in English. Dog, book, sky, door, chair. If you don't know the word, check it later. Use Google Translate or a dictionary app. Thinking in English makes your brain faster. You stop translating. You start using. Now let's create your daily routine. Step 8. Create a simple daily routine. Let's put all the steps together. Here is a sample daily plan. Only 30 to 40 minutes. Morning. 10 minutes. A listen to English podcast or video. Afternoon. 10 minutes. A mirror talk. Say 5 sentences. A shadowing. Repeat 3 sentences from a video. Evening. 10 minutes. A read 1 short story or blog. A write 3 sentences in your journal. Anytime. A think in English when you are alone. Try to speak or say words when you do things. Make your own version. Stick to it. This is important because habits build skills. Now let's talk about free tools. Step 9. Use free resources. You don't need to buy books. You don't need a class. The internet is your teacher. Here are free tools you can use. YouTube channels. A Speak English with Mr. Steve. English Class 101. BBC Learning English. A Learn English with Stories. Podcasts. The English We Speak, BBC. A Simple English Listening. A ESL Pod. A Duolingo, free version. BBC Learning English app. A Google Translate. A Hello Talk, to chat with English speakers. Websites. VOA Learning English. Storyberries. Simple stories. Breaking News English. Use these every day. Learn one small thing daily. Keep going. Now let's talk about emotions. Step 10. Stay motivated. Some days you will feel tired. Some days you will feel slow. That's normal. Everyone feels that. Even native speakers. But remember your goal. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe for a better job. Maybe to travel. Maybe to make friends. Maybe to watch movies. Write your reason. Read it every day. This helps you stay strong. You are not lazy. You are learning. Slowly but surely. Now let's look at a full example day. Step 11. Example daily English routine. Here is a sample day. 7 a.m. Wake up. Think in English. I feel good. I will wash my face. I will eat bread. 8 a.m. Play a YouTube English story while having breakfast. 12 p.m. Shadow one short video. Repeat after the speaker. 4 p.m. Write 3 short sentences about your day. 8 p.m. Read one simple English story. 10 p.m. Think about your day in English. Say it in your mind. That's it. You are learning English. You are doing it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be daily. Now let's remember some important tips. Step 12. Important tips to remember. Here are some quick reminders. A learn a little every day. A don't worry about mistakes. A speak out loud, even if alone. A use subtitles when watching videos. A repeat words often. Review them. A be kind to yourself. A celebrate small wins. One new word is progress. A use English in real life. On your phone. In your notes. The small things matter. Step by step you will grow. Now let's go to the final message. Dear friend, you can do this. You are smart. You are strong. You don't need money. You don't need a teacher. You are your best teacher. Use your heart. Use your time. Use your voice. There are many people like you. Learning in small rooms. Learning on phones. Learning with hope. You are not alone. English will open doors. You will speak to the world. You will read, write, dream in English. And it starts with one small step. Start today. Speak one word. Watch one video. Write one sentence. Then do it again tomorrow. And the next day. And one day, you will smile and say, I did it. I speak English. So never stop. Never give up. Your future is waiting. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep shining.